I choose you, Cross Country 300, and there is a specific reason why I'm doing that, because those fans were wired backwards. When I put this all together and I tested the fans and all that, I guess I never saw if it was a proper direction. I just assumed when they kicked on. But I did test it again. But after you guys commented on some videos and sent me messages that people are having their fans in reverse, I did test it again, and you guys are right. Yep, fans blowing backwards. You can't change it here. Can you do it without pulling the tank? Well, if you're very, very careful, you can. You gotta unplug this, pull that back down, reverse the 2 leads and plug it in, and then follow the other side, which I believe is this one, and do the same. Yepper. They got them backwards, boys. At least they use a nice waterproof plug. Yep, they're blowing the right way now. That's crazy. Bravo to who figured that out. I tried to unpin from underneath, under the tank. I could get to it without removing the tank, and I unplugged both of them, but I could not get the pins to release. I couldn't get that little piece out that locks the pin in, so I ended up just cutting and splicing. But I did it on the fan side, just in case I find better fans. Had to return my old 360 Osmo Action. It was kind of acting up, because when I'd go to connect to the microphone and turn this on, probably 3 out of 10, the mic would take like 20-30 seconds to connect, and every time that happened, it would lag. The voice would lag the video. Then I was getting where the front and rear weren't aligning, so you'd try to do 360 and it would just be kind of messed up. So I sent that back. This is a new one. Let's see how this works. And I know that Avata 360 is coming out. Yes, I am going to get one, and we will take the Avata 2 and Neo 2 today, just in case. Might get some good aerial shots somewhere. Where to go today, Cheezo? Boy, I dislike sugar sand. So I'm kind of glad that someone did mention that with the fans, because I got her fixed. Wow, the sand is like super bad. I'm probably gonna have to change these tires eventually, because they are pretty bad in the sand. The scooter does better. 360 on. See how this one works. So I'm glad you guys mentioned to me about these fans, like I was saying, because that was a little bit disappointing when I was riding along and I'm moving, and yet it didn't cool the engine with the fans. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put bigger fans and everything on. So thank you everyone for being persistent. And I have not found an offset rear sprocket for this yet. I definitely want to. I want to go up a little bit more in, you know, speed wise, so I'm going to drop a few teeth off the back, like I said, maybe 6. Where do you want to go today, boys? I also dropped the volume from 50 to 25% because it still clips even when I hit that noise reduction. And I really don't like the noise reduction. I want to hear the motor. Wonder why they geared this down so much to begin with. Nice job. Good job there, buddy. Holy mackerel. I think I mentioned before I want to try getting some drone shots. Actual photos though, so I can get some canvas looking photos on the wall. Now when the fan kicks on, I should feel it on my legs. I think I have like 15 pounds of air in that front tire to try to help in the sand, but it's not helping. your old man's a slacker, call the cracker. Well, that's weird. My Osmo shut off. Action camera. No idea why. Let's see what they have at the tag sale.
I saw you over there.
How's your tag sale doing?
We had quite a few people this morning.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Good.
A few moments later.
See you later.
Okay.
Good luck with your tag sale. It took my drone. I don't know where to go. I droned everywhere already. Pretty much. No one knows what a tag sale is around here. They're used to garage sale. I gotta put that GPS thing in here, or a phone holder. I like that GPS thing. Maybe I'll take it off that 250 and put it on here. The Cruiser 250. Bolton Avenue reminds me of Office Space.
You are Michael Bolton? Yeah. I celebrate the guy's entire catalog. Anyway, let's get down to business, Michael.
You know, you can just call me Mike.
Haven't been down that trail in a while. Brother! Brother! Fonzie's out on his hot. Wonder if I head up that way, if I can meet him or see him. It's pretty hot today. I'm surprised the fans haven't kicked on yet. You can do it. Be on the lookout for Fonzie. Is that Fonzie? Nope. We got a nod though. KLR 650. Got another nod. Bunch of waves and nods today for Chizo. He usually ends up in there. I don't see him. Come on, grasshopper. Almost ready to change the oil on this. 151 miles. Put some nice heavier weight. Might have missed Fonzie. He might be done with his ride too. I think we'll take a ride through there. Oh yeah. I think I hear them. Yep, they're on. Let's give Fonzie a call. It's a little bit windy. I guess he's still out. He just connected Bluetooth to that, so he must be having issues.
I transferred you with the EVO.
Yeah, I heard it was just windy.
I wanted to know it's stopped so I could turn the speakerphone on the phone so I can hear you now.
All right, I'm at Black Diamond. I don't know if you're still out.
Diamond, yeah, I passed there. That's where you are now?
I'm right by Target, facing the construction, kind of where I flew the drone, but not behind the store. I'm right.
Yeah, well, that new construction, I actually got thrown out of there. They're building a Sprouts.
Oh, you drove in there?
Yeah, I went in there, Sprouts supermarket or something like that.
I was just gonna drive in there. You got kicked out?
Well, I got kicked out, but not threatened with jail time. But
Who did it?
it's a construction zone. You're not supposed to be in here.
Yeah, there's no signs.
Yeah, there's no signs.
Yeah, I'll catch you another time.
I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Bye. Oh, that looks like it could be a problem for bikers, huh? Definitely. So Vonzi, he did sneak in there. That's what I was gonna do, and then he got kicked out. I'm glad I called. It is a little windy today. Could take the power line all the way back, but man, that sugar sand is getting really, really bad. I think the fan's kicked on. I feel it. Hey, there's one of Bergman scooters, I think. Oh, they're down to one over here too. That's a big crane. SRT, waiting for a ticket, looking for a ticket. You don't want none. SRT Hellcat, unless it's just a sticker. I know their brothers like those, but I kind of like them too. They're a little heavy. What that's gonna be. There is a trail over here. One of these days, that right there. I gotta see where that goes. Everybody's flying. I better slow down. Here, ambulance. Will we take the power lines? Yeah. Let's take the power lines. Don't be a chicken on the sand, Cheesy. I don't like it. See? It's like real bad. Terribly, terribly bad. See how bad? Good job, grasshopper.
I hear the grasshopper.
Here, the fan's running too. No red light though. Yep, Check your fans, boys. Check your fans. Snatch the sugar sand from my hand, grasshopper.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.